Hi guys, so in this video, you're going to learn how to grow your Facebook page followers or likes on the Business Suite. So we're going to run an ad campaign on Business Suite. So you launch the Business Suite app. Okay, so do ensure you've signed in to your Business Suite app. Okay, so now you're going to switch to the specific page you want to use. So if you want to use this, that's fine, or you could look for a preferred page you want to use. So we're going to switch to another page. I don't want to use this one, something with 0 likes. So you click on the top left button where your logo is. Okay, so you could search for the name of the page you want to promote, or you could search for it just by scrolling up. So okay, so I want to promote offers with Grite. So I've clicked on it. So you could see 0 Facebook followers. I'm going to run the ads now. So you click on the plus button at the center, or you could just click on advertise. So let's click on the plus button. Okay, so you click on add. So we're going to select a goal. Okay, so what we want to do here is promote your page. So we click on promote your page. All right, don't forget, you have to scroll to the bottom and select the preferred ad account you want to use. All right, so I'm going to scroll to the bottom. Okay, so this Health01 is a business prepaid ad account. Remember, we always say only use a business ad account. It could be prepaid or a postpaid, but for Nigerians, use prepaid. It's best for you. If you want to change your ad account, you simply click here and you could change it to whichever one you prefer, but make sure it's a business ad account. All right, for Nigerians, make sure it's a business prepaid ad account. So we're going to move forward with Health01. Okay, so let's continue with this one. So we scroll back to the top and continue our setup. Okay, so the system has already selected this creative for us, and it also imputed a primary text. So basically it got these great deals more for less from our page bio. Okay, so the bio of this page says great deals more for less, and it got this flyer is the cover photo of the Facebook page. So it automatically chose all of this. Okay, now if you want to change this, you simply click on the edit button just below the picture. Then you'll be able to change the text, which is the primary text, and also change your image if you want to change it. Okay, but for this video we're just going to go with this one that has been recommended. So we click on save. All right, so this ad is not under the special ad category, so we're going to skip this. Yeah, so it's not related to credit, employment, or home, so we're going to skip that. Why? For the audience, which is the targeting, we're going to use a broad targeting, so we don't want to make any changes. The system has already recommended advantage audience for people living in Nigeria 18 years and above. Okay, so we're going to work with this. Yeah, but if you want to edit it, you could actually edit this to fit however you want it. Okay, but usually one of the advantage of using a broad targeting is that the system will automatically find the best type of persons to show our ad to that will be more likely to like or follow our page. Okay, so we could decide to do this one 1,800 naira per day, or you could choose your own. You could decide to spend, you click on edit, 3,000 naira per day, which is also fine. Okay, all right, so you could decide to run this ad for 1 day or 2 days. Okay, all right, so we are done doing our setup. So it's just to review the payment, the estimated tax, and total budget. All right, so this is fine with us. Then you could also add more funds if you need more funds for your ad to be able to run throughout the duration you've set up there. Okay, so you click on promote your page. So click on the promote your page button. So you could see that our promotion has been launched. So you click on the back button. Just in case you want to manage the ad campaign and track the performance, you could do that on Ads Manager app, mobile app. So you click on it. Then you select the specific ad account you want to manage. So you click on health. All right, so you can see that the ad is still under review. Okay, so once it's approved to start delivering. All right, guys, so do well to visit the description section of this video. We're going to teach you how to launch ad campaigns on the Facebook mobile app. So it's very exclusive. Do well to visit the description section to access these videos on how to run ads on the Facebook mobile app. Bye for now.